Well, to other stories making headlines, counties continue to face financial uncertainty as a deadlock between the national government and county leaders intensifies.
Governors and senators are at odds with members of the National Assembly over a 20 billion shilling funding discrepancy.
Now, the standoff, fueled by stalled mediation talks in a court case over the road maintenance funds, is hindering vital service delivery.
Various stakeholders are now calling for a swift resolution to ensure counties receive their allocated funds and continue providing essential services to citizens.
Various stakeholders are now urging for swift resolution of the funding dispute between national government and counties. They emphasize the importance of reaching an agreement to ensure counties receive their allocated funds, enabling them to deliver essential services effectively.
Hapa nyumbani wanataka kuona mabarabara, wanataka kuangalia maji, lakini kwa sababu the two houses of parliament have not agreed and they have sat twice in a mediation committee because of misunderstanding of the Kara Act and the Dora Act. Tunaomba kabisa hizo nyumba mbili, the National Assembly and the Senate, to agree quickly.
Sheria ya mgao wa pesa kati ya serikali ya kitaifa na serikali za county, ile sheria tuiangalie upya.
This comes after stalled mediation on Tuesday as the National Assembly demanded that governors withdraw their court case seeking control over the road maintenance levy fund. The standoff has further complicated negotiations over county funding allocation and resource distribution.
Sad reality, because we don't even know where to begin to start telling them RMLF has become the condition for DORA to be discussed. And unless you vacate the case in court.
The conflict centers on two contradicting acts. The Division Act amendment proposing 380 billion for counties, while the Appropriation Act stipulates 400 billion. This discrepancy has created an impasse in negotiation over the county resource allocation. And Musungu KTN News, Nairobi.
Health Cabinet Secretary